Let him take the drag. Is he pulling?
I like loosen the drag a little bit.
No, just keep it going. Don't horse him.
Okay.
It's a redfish. Or a drummy. He threw it on top of his face. Just let him run. You don't want to lose him at the end. Oh, there's junk in the water. Oh, we need to bump this trauma over and be in the rocks. Slack, tighten up your slack. I'm coming this way. Well, I'm just saying. Big boy.
I haven't even seen him yet.
Let him eat. Well, I'm getting you in them rocks. You still pulling dry?
Trying to.
No, just let him keep on eating. Go ahead. Get to the back. Get to the back. Good one. A good one. Oh, I got fish on.
Do you seriously have that? Why do you have that for real?
Baby sheephead. Watch out, Cookie. Rod tip up. Rod tip up. Turn to the right. Keep your drag up. Yeah, it might be a drum. I mean, a bull. Ew. Oh. Foul hook red. Get him in. Get him in. That's the keeper. Get him over here. Rod tip down. Rod tip down. That's a big one. That's a good one. Rod tip down. Come this way. He's foul.